My dog Caracol and me are on day 170 of our hitchhiking journey to India.
On a road trip around Lake Van. Now taking a boat ride to Akdamar Island, important island for Armenian people. Akdamar Island incoming! We arrived and have a spectacular view over the mountains surrounding Lake Van. Now we're gonna check out Akdamar Island. Someone's in a good mood, nice! Church was constructed in the 10th century, and you can still see the frescoes of stories that are written down in the Bible. You can still see the carvings. Çok güzel. Now it's time to go back to the boat. Let's go, cutie. Back we go. Now we're taking a tour to Cavustepe Calesi, old castle outpost from the 8th century before Christ. Cavustepe Castle with a magnificent view. We're having cuniform, the first writing. Apparently this is the first toilet constructed by mankind. The worst area to take a shit, hey? The palace of the king, King Ahmet.
See